Well, howdy everybody. How's everybody doing today? This is your friendly neighborhood Chef Shade Tree here. Well, I'm going to do a little video here for you guys on this 83 Mustang. Like I told you, I've suspected that the fuel pump is not working in this car because I can fill the fuel bowl with gas, get it to run, but then it shuts off because the pump isn't pumping. Well, to really actually find out if the pump isn't working, I'll show you how to test it to see if it works or not. So what I'm going to do is, I got my little handy dandy bottle here full of gasoline. So I'm going to fill the fuel bowl up with gas. I do have on the fuel pump is down here on the front of the motor. Right there is the fuel pump. As you can see, I've disconnected the fuel pump hose line from the back of the tank. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to start this thing up, get it running, and then put this hose in the bottle here to see if it starts pumping. If it doesn't start pumping, then that means the fuel pump is bad. So let me get this thing set up here. I've got it kind of set up. I'll put the fuel in the bowl, start it up, start the car, and then get underneath and see what happens here. So I'll show you what happens here, guys. Okay, so I have the fuel bowl full of gas. Now I'm going to start it up. And hurry up, run underneath the vehicle and put the hose in the container and see if it pumps. So let's get her fired up here real quick. I might drop the phone here because I won't have enough hands to do everything with. So bear with me. We'll see what happens here. I'll show you what it does. When I drop the phone, I'll just keep talking so you guys know what I'm doing. So here we go. Running. Get under here. Get this hose hooked up. Ow. Can't hit the hole. There we go. Get the hose in the hole. Oops. Got the hose in the hole here. So if it starts pumping, then that means that the pump is working. Which I do believe, I think the pump is working. Well, looky there, guys. So I do believe the pump is actually pumping. So you can see it. Look. You see it spitting out stuff. So it's actually sucking. So my suspicions of a bad fuel pump it is actually running. So therefore, I have something wrong with the line between here and the back. Here, got a block. Now the pump is working, so. But anyways, that's what I wanted to find out to see if the pump is working or not. So I need to look someplace else where this is wrong. So I'll get back with you in a minute. Well, everybody, on further inspection and further diagnosing, I have come to the conclusion that the fuel pump is bad because I have no fuel up here. So I've got gas in the bowl, so the reason why it died is because it ran out of gas. There's no pump right here. So, therefore, the pump is bad. So I'm going to have to get a new pump. So, there we go. There's the diagnoses on this 1983 Mustang 3.8 V6. As you guys all know, I did head gaskets on this thing here last year. Was it last year or year before? Might have been a year before. No, it was last year. I don't remember. Anyways, did the head gaskets on this thing. Been trying to get it run. Parked it in the backyard this last year. And then the fuel pump quit working in it. So, yeah, I gotta get a new fuel pump for this thing. So, there's where I'm at with it, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this little video testing these fuel pumps out. So thanks for always watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one.